Hi everyone, my name is Erica
In
Gonzalez.
this video, we will be talking about multiple hourly pay rate selections now available for your staff members. And so I have already gone ahead into my setup and staff, and I've selected staff members. So I'll click that again. And here are my list of staff members. Let's scroll down and select the following staff member, Erica. Let's select pay rates, and here we are in her pay rates page. This may look familiar to you. Just as a refresher, if you would like to add a new pay rate or set one up, you have the following pay rates available, but we're going to be focusing on hourly rate. Let's go back. So here with this staff member, she has now multiple hourly rates. And why is this helpful, or why would this be helpful for you as a business? Is because certain staff members may be working their standard hourly rate, maybe a 9 to 5 or a 3 to 11, but they may be working overtime. So you want to compensate accordingly for those hours. They may be also working an event, such as an outreach event, working at a conference. So we want to account for all these things, and you want to account for all these things in your business. And so let's look at this standard rate over here. So it's $35, and I can see that it's defaulted service rate and it's the default hourly rate. If I go into the action column, the following pop-up appears. I've already set it up, but I just want to focus on the fact that set as default service rate has had a name change. Previously, it was set as default rate. Now it's configured, or sorry, set up to set as default rate. So you can toggle that on if you want to have that as a default service rate or off. And then this is a new addition, set as default hourly rate, a toggle that only appears within the hourly rate. And so you can toggle that on to indicate, or rather the staff member, this would be the go-to rate, their hourly rate. And so I'm going to go ahead and select save, and then it'll update, and there we go. So I can see that the default service, again, hourly, it shows up in that column, all done and well. So if I now going back here to left-hand panel, if I go into my manage time clock, you will be able to see that there's a new added column here, pay rate. And so you can go through your list of staff members and you can select the drop down menu and you can see all their multiple hourly pay rates if they do have. But what's really great is that you can see the pay rate that they're being paid. And you can also manage their pay rates, select manage pay rates, and it brings you to the pay rate page, which is really great. Now, if the staff member, let's go ahead and collapse that. Now, if Erica wanted to go ahead and sign in, I'm already signed in her page. So I'm going to clock out because I was already signed in before. So if I want to go ahead and sign her in again, so we're going to select clock in, and then I can see here the following pop-up appears. And if I select the drop-down menu, I can see all her hourly rates, the hourly, the overtime, and the event. So we're going to select hourly. She's checking in, and there you go. She's clocked in rather. And there we go. And so also with this improvement, we can see this reflected, multiple hourly rates reflected in the Elevate Staff app. So I'm just going to hop on over there to show you that. All right, so I'm here in the Elevate Staff app. I'm signed in as Erica. And if I select on the More tab, again on the Elevate Staff app, I clocked in already on the staff backend, so that's why it appears as clock out. So let's go ahead and select clock out. I've clocked out, and easy with the tip of my fingers, I can go ahead, select clock in, and then I see my selection of hourly rates. I'm going to go ahead and select, actually, let's select the overtime and clock in. And then there we go, we've clocked in. And so there we have it, multiple hourly pay rates, being able to cover everything that a staff member does, working at an event, working their standard 9 to 5, working overtime, and hopefully this video was helpful, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.